Hi, I'm Andy.
I'm Jo, and this is our last class on Jukin Blues in the Vine, November 2023.
Yes, so we specifically dealt around fast blues, which doesn't get played a lot, or it doesn't get DJ'd a lot, which is a
And
shame.
that's partly because I think DJs know that sometimes if they play a fast song, all of the dancers go, ah, and they run away.
Well, they start doing swing outs for some weird reason.
Yeah, and if it's not a swing tempo, don't do swing outs.
Swing outs, especially in a small room. So have fun with it is our main thing.
So we did a few little rhythm exercises talking about how you can find different parts of the music to follow and different pulses you can use.
So we spoke about a nice little small step, boom, heart, like a rainbow pulse
So
almost.
artists go, Then there's the down, like a jogging pulse. And then there's the pendulum pulse, where your hips are going back, and then you can add a shuffle to that. So the idea is your back stays flat, as opposed to twerking, because that is going to probably hurt.
Yeah, and the hips sort of swing backwards there.
Then we did a little sequence.
A little sequence to have some fun with. So this sequence can be done fast or slow, it doesn't matter. You take this and use it, you
You
swing
can use
or
the
whatever.
bits of it and change the order.
Yes,
Totally cool.
absolutely, and add new stuff to it. So we started off with an underarm turn, so we got a boom, ba, underarm, and
turn
it
to
goes
open, to
all
double
single step from here, there, and then we basically go into this double hand hold, and then I bring my partner through, and I use my own arm over. So it's got a bit of a Latin style lasso kind of thing going on.
I'm looping around Andy. Andy's not really moving.
Yeah, at least that's how I kind of describe it. So I do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, it takes as long as it takes.
Yeah, the timing is a bit loose in blues.
Yeah, especially depending on the speed of the music. Then we get to the end of this, and so we'll go out here a bit. So we're at the end, and I'm going to use this stretch point and connection. We've got this nice little overhand connection, and I'm going to go 1, 2, keep looking this way, connect it up this way.
Yeah.
And the idea is I'm going to use this as a cool little point to bring my partner back through.
And then we can add some solo moves,
Some kind of
styling.
funky styling. So all the way through looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 5, do da, ba, ba da, da, do 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 do, hey, do 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 do. And you can do whatever you like from there.
Yeah, depending on how fast your follow moves through leads, you might need to change your timing. But when you get out into this open position, this is a great opportunity to add some solo flavour. So we talked about a few solo moves that you can try, but there's a bunch. But here's the ones we talked about, was the mooch, where it's like you're stubbing out a cigarette, the knee comes in and rolls around. You can do 1, 2, 1, 2. You can do that in double time.
And then hip is doing
and it
that
starts
nice
doing
roll.
this a little bit if you do it quicker.
Yep, and then it turns to almost like you're doing twists.
Twist almost.
And then you've got your grinds as well, so you're going over
1,
and over.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3. Then you look how you're doing the moguls.
Then another one that is great is just a shimmy. Just a little bit of a shimmy. But there's a bunch more. What we really love seeing is people bringing their own style, their own ideas into the dance and improvising.
Yep, other fun stuff you can do is like when you do actually do this little pull through and you sort of hold, you can do boom and hold it there for a little bit before you decide to go back. So all kind of fun stuff that you can have with this.
Yeah, that's it. And we'll see you all tonight on social.